Greetings. Just want to back. Just been playing a little more Batman Arkham Knight. Like I said, I'm not doing a let's play of this per se because I just like to dig around and enjoy myself. But
there's gotta be someone left in Gotham.
I figured I'd give you an update.
Well, you know, at least
Thoughts of this game so far. As I've already said, it looks incredible. The Batmobile stuff is pretty fun. The Riddler is like, well, he kidnapped Catwoman and he's got a bomb around her neck, and you have to solve a certain amount of riddles. Or he built like these obstacle courses you have to drive through with the Batmobile and stuff, and it's kind of silly, but the Riddler is silly. And each time we solve one of these racetracks or puzzle rooms or whatever, he gives us another key to unlock the collar on her neck, and I think we need 8 total, but can you defeat the mind such as mine? Yes. But he's got her essentially held hostage in this orphanage, and if she leaves, he'll blow up the bomb, so she's just got to stay there until Batman can find the keys to unlock the collar on her neck. But now there's a room open in here, and he wants us to come back.
Welcome back to the Riddletorium. Do not fear. Your friend has not been harmed. Before I allow you to see her, however, riddle me this. Riddle me this. What kind of question can only be asked upon reflection? Good luck. Good luck.
What kind of question can only be asked upon reflection? Switch creative and controls process machinery. Can only be asked upon reflection. See, it's something about the reflection here, but what kind of question can only be asked upon reflection? Something about the reflection on the ground, I think. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, okay. I have to get the question mark. So apparently when I hit these, it rotates things. Yes, okay. That does the outer ring. Now let's do this one. One more. Okay, now the middle one. Ah, damn it. Okay. Okay. Now I'll do this one again. Now I need to get like this. Or do I have to get it backwards? I don't know.
Well, it seems you have earned the right to see your friend. Why, she'll be as surprised as I am that you've made it this far.
Oh, his silly puzzles. You know, she's just kind of chilling. Yeah, it's kind of interesting now. This game lets you switch between the two characters.
Oh, good. You're back.
At least I did
Eddie
before.
wouldn't show me whatever deranged parlor game he's got waiting behind that door until you arrived.
I'll get you out of here.
I'm sorry, do I seem testy? It's probably something to do with the gorgeous necklace Eddie picked out for me. Have you seen it? It explodes.
Yeah. So I'm guessing we'll solve like 2 more puzzles and then we'll have to go through these rooms. I don't know. It's going to be an ordeal, but the fighting thing and switching between 2 characters, I'm assuming the 2 of us will get to do here shortly, but you coming? Yeah. It's pretty fun. I liked it.
Oh, I do hope you two are getting along. Because you'll need to work together if you want to find the key hidden in here. Find the key.
Wow, this looks creepy. Someone's been reading feng shui for serial killers.
I'm guessing we just stand on these 2 buttons.
Oh, great. Extra trapped. As if the collar wasn't enough.
Oh, Batman, Catwoman, neither of you is getting out of there without the other's help.
Okay, so I'm guessing I've got to batarang these 2.
Oh, no. It's more of Eddie's homemade friends.
Your mockery is pointless, Cat. I don't have any friends at all. You simply won't solve this one unless you can see things from each other's point of view.
Okay, what am I missing here? 3, 5, 2, 4. 3, 5, 2, 4.
You'll never get out of here if you don't learn to communicate.
1, 3, 5, 2, 4. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. I'm guessing that what I need to do is have her hit three, 1, 4, 5, 2. Okay, so I need her to hit 1, 3, 5, 2, and 4.
Well, there we go. It's settled. You're not quite as dumb as each other.
And
Congratulations,
Batman
Catwoman.
needs to hit 3,
Batman, you're lagging behind.
1, 4, 5, 2.
Oh, Dark Knight.
Okay.
I can barely describe to you what a pleasure it is to see your brow furrow over the simplest of conundrums. I do apologize for not creating a riddle that you can merely pound into submission.
Be my guest.
Here, why don't you take out your primitive frustrations on my automated assistant?
About time.
See, when you do the special takedowns, it just switches characters. I could switch characters anytime I want, but it pays to do it when you do the takedown move.
My engineering gave them shape, not one of your absurd... Well then, it seems you've earned another key.
Okay, where's the
This
key?
is going to take all night, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. You're going to have that collar on for a while because we've got to solve a lot more puzzles. But also the Scarecrow, well, not the Scarecrow, the Dark Knight, who looks kind of like Batman. I'm not sure who he is because I haven't heard of him before, but yeah, see, we've got 6 more keys to find, and it'll take time. But
Well, that was fun. least I got to hit something.
How are you holding up?
I'm fine. I don't need your concern. Just your help getting this thing off.
Yeah, but this Catwoman thing is going to take all night, so that's kind of weird. Anti-gravity robot piece or something. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to have to go try to find Barbara Gordon because she got kidnapped by the Arkham Knight.
I wouldn't celebrate just yet, you two. Dark Knight, my next challenge can be found beneath Elliott Memorial Hospital. Conveniently located for when you pass out due to mental exhaustion.
Mental exhaustion.
Okay. So, I mean, I could burn through this stuff, but I want to kind of balance out stuff. You know, do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And I am kind of worried about Oracle that got kidnapped, so... I mean, obviously Catwoman's kidnapped too, but... Oh.
Hey, Bats.
Yeah, the other thing.
Catwoman get so
Batman's going
smooth?
crazy. He's seeing
Must
the
have been
dead
when I started
Joker
looking out of your
everywhere.
eyes, You gonna ask her out or what? Oh, you're not still torn up about Talia al Ghul, are you? Come on, it's been months. Even the worms that ate her corpse have probably forgotten about it by now.
Yeah, Talia was...
You're really gonna turn down this fine opportunity for romance just because I blew your last girlfriend's lungs out? Take a tip from your wingman, Brucey. The ladies hate it when you brood over the ex you failed to save.
It was kind of his girlfriend, and she died in Arkham City. Okay, so I am going to, I think, see about... I did switch, didn't I? What's going on? Yeah. I need the Batmobile.
I hear there's some
I
nutcase
think.
going around, nailing people to walls.
I don't remember where I was supposed to go to search for her, but...
What do you see when perched on high? Prey that no longer fears you.
See, I keep forgetting.
A dead city that heralds your
The
own
brake is the
demise.
B button, it's not the left trigger button. Oh,
Batmobile spotted! Grand Avenue! Armor breach on Mama drone! Confirmed hit! Mama drone taking damage. Drone's been hit. It's still in the fight.
okay, I need to get
Direct hit on a Rattler.
serious here.
Damn it! Rattler's taking damage. Drone offline. Batman's taking out a Rattler.
This stuff does get a little tedious because there's like
Armor still holding.
somebody spent multiple billions of dollars on robot-controlled tanks. It's kind of weird, but
He just took out the drone unit in Grand Avenue.
all right.
One-on-one, Batman. He got a drone. No!
Seriously, we got more coming? Okay. Well, I'm gonna cut this video off, and I'll check back in later. hopefully I can rescue Oracle without too much more problem, but we'll see how that goes for me, and we'll check back in as I progress in the game a little more. I don't know, I'm not disappointed. I like it. It's a good game so far. Bye.